Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the device. Charge it above 20% and have a stylus or OTG mouse ready because inverted input can make tapping unreliable. Open Settings and go to Accessibility. This is where touch settings live. If accessibility options do not show screen rotation or touch inversion, use the search bar and type display or touch. You do this now to reach the controls quickly. Backing up first protects you if a reset becomes necessary. Once in settings, diagnose whether the inversion is software or hardware. Turn off auto-rotate and test in both portrait and landscape. Inversion that follows rotation is likely software. Next, toggle accessibility touch options, interaction controls, touch and hold delay, or any invert input toggle to see if behavior changes. If nothing helps, open developer options and enable pointer location. Watching the pointer path shows whether touch coordinates are. To finish, attempt recalibration using built-in tools or a trusted calibration app. You do this because it can remap touch coordinates without data loss. If that fails, perform a factory reset, make sure your backup is current, because resets clear corrupted system settings that cause inversion. Boot into safe mode first to rule out an app causing the issue. If inversion remains even in safe mode, suspect hardware. Troubleshooting tip. If touch mapping is consistently reversed, the digitizer may be damaged. Seek professional repair rather than repeated resets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.